Okay everybody, today we're going to be testing this new Ego chainsaw. This is a electric chainsaw. It works on a battery, no cord. So we're going to try this out and we're going to see if we can cut down a pretty good sized tree with this thing. I mean, it's 18-inch. Just tighten the chain, you just crank this. You don't have to take it apart or unbolt anything. So it's made by Ego, and we're going to see how it goes. So on this side, that way it should fall that way.
Okay.
The notches.
Ooh, it's a big chunk right there. Here. Hi. Good to do that. Supposed to see
Once I cut the back, it should fall that way toward the notch. And Alyssa will try to pull it a little bit when it starts falling. She's gonna...
That's all it did?
So we did it.
Okay.
Hey, Alyssa, good job. Still got plenty of power.
Alright. Wow.
As you can see, it's got 4 bars left. So you can
Let me
probably...
see. Let me see the bars.
You can probably...
Where? What?
Right there.
How does it show?
Yeah, 4 bars now.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so it's still got a lot of power left, and we could probably cut several more of these trees down. So I say,
Several more.
Ego is a go.
Oh.